Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you Duolingo your offline problem or how to fix quick maintenance break problem on Duolingo. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Duolingo application. Click on Duolingo application. Tap on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Duolingo application latest version. You make sure your Duolingo application is updated. Your Duolingo application is not updated, then update your Duolingo application. Step 3. Restart your device and reopen it. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. You make sure your internet or Wi-Fi connection is stable. You can follow all of the steps to fix Duolingo your offline problem or Duolingo quick maintenance break problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.